Okay, let's see how boring a supposed to be interesting video can go. In this video, I'm gonna discuss some important stuff about Bitcoin, and it will be against what the experts are saying. And along with that, this video may be boring because I won't do much editing in this. See, there are two important factors. There are several important factors. I don't remember. The first is experts are saying that they are still bullish on Bitcoin. The price pattern says no, hell no. The second thing is the reasons to it are the first one is in the previous video that I uploaded, and the second one I'm gonna discuss in this one. So I request you to stick to this video till the very last, very end, whatever. And if you find this video to be boring, then please watch it on 1.5x or something, but please don't quit this video. Now let's jump to the logics. The logic behind this price chart is this. First is whatever I have said in the previous video still stands valid. The second is this head and shoulder pattern formation. This is the head and shoulder pattern formation. This is shoulder, this is head, and this one is the neckline. If you cut the neckline, the person dies. As simple as this. This neckline coincidentally stands on a very important level. The first important level, my favorite, is the FIBO 61% retracement ratio, and the second is Bitcoin ke khud ka support and resistance line. Okay, now let's talk about another important thing. If you follow the price pattern of Bitcoin quite closely, you must have noticed that over the past 5, 6, 7 weeks, the price was not closing below this level, below the levels of 34,500 or something. But the previous week, it showed us something really big. To discuss this, I'm gonna jump to the 4-hourly time frame, and if you don't want any logic there because the event has already passed, you can skip some 40, 50, 60 seconds. So let's come to the 4-hourly time frame and see what has happened. This is a triangle pattern formation which saw a strong breakout at this point, which gave a retest at this point on the dynamic frame and another retest on the horizontal frame. ये अच्छे तरीके से, जितने अच्छे तरीके से रिटेस्ट कर सकता था उतने अच्छे तरीके से रिटेस्ट करके रिट्रेस किया है. So it was very much evident that the close was supposed to be below the previous week's close. Okay, having done with this, come back to the weekly time frame and discuss the most important part of this video. See, I've already told that this is the neckline, and if you cut the neck of a person, the person obviously dies. Now you people pause the video and think for a second. Do you see any support within this range? Even if I jump to the daily time frame now, you will hardly find a small level of support at this point. So what may happen next, and which is theoretically possible also, is if this neckline breaks down, there is no support in this zone, so it may fall to this levels, the level of approx 19,500 levels. Now I'm not saying this haywire. The first backup reason to support it is the 78% FIBO ratio. The second reason is, you see this was a resistance back then, and now this will act as a support for Bitcoin. So there's a high possibility that it will come down to this level, and again, I'm not even close to any expert. You can plan to buy at this level. Bye.